What's up, Dobbsy gang? Today we're gonna install my new vlog setup in my Ruroc Atlas 2.0. Check it out right there. Oh wait, right there. It's a nice setup. I do have a lot, but today we're gonna use this one right here. So the purpose is we're gonna put this bad boy right in the middle like that. It's gonna be flush. We're gonna use Sugru. We've got our GoPro Hero 8. There's the Sugru itself. It's moldable glue, so it's just gonna be really sturdy. Just pack it on there. Got ourselves a Purple Panda mic setup. Recommend this guy. All the wind. And then, of course, you need your GoPro adapter because you can't simply just buy anything anymore. You always need the accessory to go with it. But other than that, that's it. We're gonna wire it up, and yeah. See you guys there. Welcome back. All right, so we're gonna use 3 of these Sugru black packs, and we're just gonna stack them over top of each other. All right. Sounds easy enough. Is we want this to be like this, on that, like that, but like this, but look good. Okay, so next step. Put it on your mount. Right in the middle. Like that. See that? Oh my god. Okay. Now mold it.
12 seconds later.
Alright. Pretty happy with how it's shaping up. You line it up like so. Again, you want it to be as perfect as you want it, because once this is set and it's in place, that's it. It's gonna harden. It's really not difficult doing this either. It's my first time, to be honest with you. First time. Easy. Okay. And then you apply. And it's that easy. Just like that. I'm just gonna keep applying some pressure because I want it to stick real good. Yeah. And then make sure you wait 24 hours before putting on the rest. Day number 2. All right, so we got it. Looking pretty good. If I do say so myself, it's snug. And it's molded around. It's not perfect because I'm not a perfectionist, but looks good. All right, so now we could put the camera on, which is what I've already done, and I've measured with the GoPro adapter how far it's going to reach from the front to the back. And I marked it with a little line here, measured it with my Velcro tape. See, it's the same size as the mic adapter. We're gonna put the Velcro tape onto the mic adapter and onto the helmet. Okay, where was I? All right, then we're gonna wire up this mic right here into the helmet, into the front, under that chin skirt right there. And once the GoPro is mounted up there and everything's plugged in, you'll be good to go. All right, let's do it. So before I got the camera rolling, I put this Velcro strip on the back of my mic adapter. So now grab your other Velcro strip that matches this strip and make sure it's the sticky side. All right. And you're gonna line it up with the line that you already put on your helmet. So here's my line down here at the bottom. So I know that that's where I need to put that. All right. Peel the fucking tape already, Tom. Damn, dude. Okay. God damn it. All right.
Super fucking stupid.
All right, people. It's sticky, all right? It's sticky.
It took us 2 minutes just to take that thing off.
2 minutes. All right, so there's my line right there. Oh my God, it's dumb sticky.
That's that Gorilla Glue Velcro.
Gorilla Glue. All right, cool. Get that on there all nice like that. Yeah, and that's so sticky, I'm not even really concerned, but we're just gonna make sure it's on there. And so just like that, our mic adapter can go on. Like so. I'm just gonna give it a good push because high winds, that's not going anywhere. Yeah. You ever seen a dad tie down anything in the back of his truck? You ever seen, maybe he got a new grill or something at Lowe's? That's not going anywhere. All right. See this New Balance. They're white with the blue check mark.
Shut up, those are Nikes.
Step 3. Run the mic from the mic adapter into the helmet, under the chin skirt. Flip it on its side gently. Let me get something. There we go. Something like that right there. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. All right. So we see we've got this auxiliary plug right here. It's going to plug into this plug right here. Don't hurt yourselves watching this. Oh, yeah. That just happened. All right. And then I'm probably just going to weave it straight back like that, or nah, we're just gonna go straight in the front. Straight in the front will be easier. See that, people? Look how easy that is. Beautiful. All right, now we're just gonna wind this up because there's no need for all this extra cord. Take this chin skirt out and we're gonna place it right up in there. I'll catch you guys in 2 seconds.
2 hours later.
Okay, check it out. We were just here. We ran it straight down, took the chin curtain out, put the mic on our little Cardo mic holder already. We just attached it there, shoved the wires right there. I'm gonna put the chin curtain back in. Maybe I'll like throw some tape on it or something to make it look pretty. And then that's it, you're good to go. You have a vlog set up. Boom. And it still looks good. The helmet still looks dope. So yeah. Signing off. DobbsyMoto.